Hi everyone, welcome. In this video we will talk about Solana Sweeper Bot and how it's work. We write a script that will work for only Solana. When you receive a Solana in a specific wallet, it will be transferred immediately to another uh, wallet as you want. So I will run the bot here and test it. So here is the wallet, it's checking, and the right now the balance inside of wallet it's 0.009 sol, and also here is the wallet. For now we will transfer some funds to this wallet and let's see what happened. So we are sending souls 0.01. Next, send. Okay, we send some sol to this wallet and let's check here. We transferred, so as we get 0.01 sol, immediately it's transferred to this wallet. Okay, and here is the signature and the current balance of the um, our reception wallet is 0.09. So this scripts available. If anyone interested, they can get and contact us on Telegram. Also you can see the transactions here, so it's transfer immediately.